So what's up, everybody? Today what we're going to be doing is debadging using this fishing line, 12-pound camo, of course. Got a little Tarex to get the adhesive and stuff off. You can use pretty much any adhesive remover. This is just something that I have that works real good for me. Towel, microfiber towel, taking this charger off. This is going to be the exact same process if you want to take the Dodge off, if you want to take the SRT off, if you want to take the emblems off the side. I do the exact same things. Just wanted to kind of go over my process of how I take it off. I am going to be polishing this trunk. I'm coating this car one panel at a time because I really don't have a whole lot of time to just do the whole car at once. So I'm telling you guys, if you're going to take emblems off a car, you want to at the very least, get you something and hand polish the car where you've taken the emblem off, because you're going to haze the paint up a little bit. You almost can't help it. You're going to get little scuffs and stuff on the paint when you're taking these emblems off and go back over. So you're going to want to at least try to hand polish over this. Now, I'm going to machine cut and polish, so I'm not real worried about it. So let's go ahead and get started on the process. So the first thing that you're going to need is a good heat gun. You're going to want to warm this surface up. Get the surface warm, that way it's going to be a whole lot easier. You don't have to tug and yank as much to get through the adhesive on the emblem. The less work you need to get through this, the better your paint's going to come out afterwards. Now I've already cleaned this trunk panel. Like I said, I'm going to be polishing, cut, polish, and coating this trunk. Y'all will get to see that in the next video. I know that was something, the last two cars that I've put a paint coating on, you guys have asked for a video kind of detailing my process on paint coating and how I do it myself. So I figured I would show you on this trunk because it's a pretty easy panel for me to be able to record me doing it. Always check it. When it gets hot, keep it moving. When it gets hot, you need to stop. That's plenty hot enough. Heat'll stay for a little while in it. I'm gonna go ahead, give me a piece of this fishing line. String me out a piece that's fairly long. Well, I got a little bit to work with here. And you just get in behind the letters. Hold it close to the paint and you saw and pull. Pull it out away from the car. Don't use the car to pry. Hopefully the next one leaves less adhesive on the car. That's why we're holding it close to the car. No such luck. Looks like all of these are just going to be a pain in the butt. Oh. Warming up the adhesive really makes this a whole lot easier. If you do this cold, Lord, good thing I'm polishing this. All right, so that's the charger off. Now we're stuck with this adhesive. One thing, since this adhesive is so thick, you probably take your thumb just like this and roll it, and you get a lot of it off. So that's what I'm gonna do, just take my thumb, roll it across the top here. Some people will take this with this much adhesive on it and soak it with adhesive remover. It just takes forever. The adhesive remover has a lot of thick tape or adhesive to get through. Look at that one. Oh yeah, perfect. So the least amount of excess adhesive that you leave on the surface like that, just one little spot, that's fine, the better, because it'll be easier for your adhesive remover to go ahead and get it. If you can get some of this balled up for a bigger emblem, you can even use the glue itself against it and roll it against it to get it up. So, all right, so what I've got here is I've got this microfiber towel put down. Just kind of got it shoved up in there to keep it from dripping down on the paint. Take my adhesive remover, I'm using Tarex from Car Pro. You want to be kind of liberal with it. As you can see, I mean, there's a good amount of stuff still left on the paint, even after I went through and thumbed most of it off of there. And if you was wondering about a time limit, honestly, it took me about 10 minutes or so to get all it to where it is right now. And now the adhesive remover is probably going to make pretty short work of this. Tarex is pretty good stuff. So you want to let this stuff sit for a couple minutes. We'll go ahead and pause the video, let it sit, and then we're going to come back to it and wipe it off. All right, so it's been about 3 minutes. We'll go ahead, hit it one more time with my adhesive remover. Bring this to wipe the bottom. And this is the old microfiber. I use this for wheels, engine bay, or whatever. So I'm gonna polish this again, so I'm not real concerned. And this stuff pretty much a couple wipes here. I have this stuff off of here. The key is giving the adhesive remover time to do its job. Let's see, there's a little bit more residue. White paint is so hard to see. Now I am gonna cut and polish this, but I still don't want adhesive on it because that's gonna mess up my pads. So you put it right there. There's a little bit. And if this wasn't a white car, I mean, it'd be real easy to see where this stuff was. It's just a white car, so. Get this. I'm not afraid to scrub because, again, I'm polishing this stuff. I know I've said that several times, but for whatever reason, people seem to watch 30-second clips of videos on YouTube and think they got the idea of how the whole video goes. They don't listen to everything that's being said or done. I know some of these videos are unnecessarily long. Sometimes there's just good information in them. So now what I'm going to do, instead of spraying it all over the car, I'm going to get my towel moist with adhesive remover. And there's one little bitty spot where you're at right there. And she's all gone. Let me get the camera in here, bring it in, see it. I'll be able to show you what the surface of the paint looks like. Not getting very good light here. Let's bring this over. So I know it looks pretty good in the picture, but I mean, I can see a lot of little scratches. This paint, you know, it's a white car. When people wash it, they tend to take a little less care. So it's got a few more little swirls and stuff in it, but nowhere near as bad as what the ZL1 was before I polished it. So no big deal. That's how you remove the badges. That's how I remove the badges anyway. There's plenty of different videos and different processes. This right here I find is just the easiest for me to get them off. Use a little bit of heat, fishing line, pulls right through it. Get most of the adhesive off first with your fingers before you use adhesive remover, and let the adhesive remover do its job. And for the love of God, don't do this out in the direct sunlight. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll have one coming up here pretty soon in the next day or so for cutting, buffing, and then, you know, coating, how I do it using C-Quartz UK 3.0. I've got some other goodies that are coming. I've got a couple things that are actually here that I got to install and do videos on whenever I get some time. I am essential, so I still have to go to work. I'm not just sitting at home. So it might take me a little while to get some videos done. I work a little bit more than what I used to before, but videos will be forthcoming. Thanks everybody for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like and share the videos if you like them. Post them up on any social medias, forums, whatever, and share this stuff. There's plenty of videos on the channel from different makes and models, a lot of Charger content. I look forward to bringing you more stuff. Thanks, guys.